Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, Dewey County in northwestern Oklahoma, southern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ames to 5 miles south of Taloga, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Taloga, Hennessy, Wacomas, O'Keene, Kenton, Covington, Drummond, Leedy, Longdale, Ames, Hitchcock, Oakwood, Douglas, Putnam, Canton Lake, Eagle City, Bison, Isabella, Fay, and Homestead. A tornado watch remains. Drummond, Leedy, Longdale, Ames, Hitchcock, Oakwood, Douglas, Putnam, Canton Lake, Eagle City, Bison, Isabella, Fay, and Homestead. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest